Hello and welcome to September Magic's YouTube channel. It's January 2022 and I want to wish you guys a very happy new year. This is the very first video of the year 2022 and I am adopting a new approach this year. Till now, all my videos used to be pretty long, showing you the entire bullet journal setup for a month. But this year onwards, I am trying to be easy on myself, and so I am breaking down my videos into smaller chunks where I will show you one spread at a time. So it will be some 5 or 6 minute long videos that would be easy for you to watch. You won't have to spend a lot of time watching long videos and skipping parts. Here you can just watch the parts that you actually want to watch. In today's video, I'm going to show you the cover page setup for the month of January 2022. I'm saying it again and again so that I get used to the fact that the year has changed. Believe me, it's taking me a long time just to get used to it. So let's start the cover page with some faux calligraphy, because I have to add the word "faux" in front of calligraphy because I am not good at calligraphy, and my handwriting has a mind of its own. It decides whether it wants to turn out good or bad, and so I don't rely on it much. I try to use this technique where I make the downward strokes thicker than the upward strokes, by which I mean whenever your hand goes down while writing a letter, you just make those lines thicker, and when your hand goes up, you leave those lines thin. That's how you get this whole effect when writing, and believe me, it takes time and practice to master it. I still haven't. I still struggle, and I sometimes make the upward strokes thicker too. So it takes time, but we'll get there someday, I'm sure. Also, for my cover page, I wanted a positive quote, so I chose the quote, "New year, new me, same dreams, fresh start." Now this quote definitely reflects my present situation. I've moved to this new place, this new state, and it's a brand new beginning for me, so I thought this is the best quote I could write. Also, I'm using some icons that represent Austin, Texas. So I have the Capitol, the Texas Capitol building, and the bluebonnet flowers, and some live oaks. You see a lot of oaks here, and it's beautiful. I love plants and flowers, so I just wanted an excuse to use them somehow. So I thought, why not use different kinds of bluebonnets and oaks just to make the spreads look pretty. To color my spreads, I'm using my Tombow brush pens. To outline my drawings, I'm using my micron pen. So I have two sizes, one is 0.8 and one is 0.3. So that's how I give my drawings thicker and thinner lines. I'm also using my Tombow brush pen to the black brush pen to write certain things. I don't know how to pronounce the name exactly. I will put it in the description below. And I'm using my Uniball white pen to add highlights to my letters. Now let me give you a quick tip over here. Just try using a combination of thick and thin lines when drawing. You can give it some kind of variation and dimension. Give it a try and see for yourself. It will definitely make a big difference. you enjoyed this quick cover page setup, please let me know in the comments below. Next, I'll be showing you my monthly calendar page for January, and then of course the weekly pages. So till then, happy journaling and have a good day.